It's your boy Wilx. Wilx Main, Wilx Chamberlain, aka the Rap Dad. Starring Tréson, of course. I'm just a supporting role. He the star of the show. You wanna go upstairs? We can go upstairs. This is where your diapers go. It stinks. Your diapers stink, baby. Stinky butt. What you see over there? You see me? We see you. 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 Yeah, we can go upstairs. I'll hit the light for you. He's gotten so good at this. He's so quick and agile. Okay, big fella. All right. Yeah. You so fast. Uh-oh. Spoke too quick. It's okay. He'll probably do this like 30 times in 30 minutes. The boy's in shape. It's your room. You gonna show us your crib? And your little tub over there. Wash your hands. Which way did he go? Which way did he go? You wanna go back in here? Who you talking to? Why you yelling? I gotta get down on the floor with him. He hard to keep up with sometimes. I done scabbed my knee up plenty messing with this baby. Trying to keep up. I'm right here with you. Oh, pop on up then. Pop on up. Where are the animals, Tréson? Here you go. Tréson, where you going? Okay. Come here. Okay, well don't. You dibby-dabby-doo. Hey, man, I know you, man. Yeah. Boy, you done washed your hands 3 times already. Glad to know that you know cleanliness is next to godliness, son. You gonna finish washing clothes for me? You know what you're doing? Take it easy on my knees, please. You look back like, what? What? Ready, set, up. You can do it. Baby butt. Say hi, Tréson. Hi. 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 Hey, hi, baby. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi. 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 I don't know where the O is, but y'all know how to spell. Trying to go outside, brother. Just because you tall does not mean you have to reach for everything. Hello, sir. Good day. Press any button to play along. You gonna kiss your mommy? Now you super tall. You the tallest 16-month-old I know. Tréson, wake up.
I was gonna say, do you know where my hard drive is?
I got mine. But I don't know where it is. You checked your black bag? Did it fall somewhere in the Jeep?
No, Tréson had it.
Dang. Well, he is a genius. He probably did what's best for it. Are you going somewhere? Or you just posing? You just posing. Oh. Fumble. You okay? Shake it off, youngster. Oh. Hey there, lonely boy.
Bye, baby.
Lonely boy. You want a bite? I got you. You want a bite? I got you. There you go. Yay. Bite, 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 bite. It's good. Man, your head is so big. Yeah, your head big. You want another bite? You trying to get an Oscar? You an actor, bro. Anybody you like to thank? You want to thank for this Oscar? You want to thank me? I want to thank you. I want to thank you. Yeah. Yay. The big-headed little dude. That's perfect. Perfect. Sweet. Perfect. Perfect. Night night. Night night. Night night. You want to play with it? Come here. There you go. It's a flute. Oh. So my suggestion for Christmas, don't go broke on a broke 2-year-old. Give him some of your old stuff that's been in the closet. He gonna have a ball with it. What's up, son? Kiss? You want a kiss? Mwah. Mwah. You want a kiss?
Meh. Meh.
Pillow war. He loves. Oh. Oh. Baby down. This is my favorite part of the day. Boy. Oh, he don't want no more smoke. Huh? I ain't think so. Hey, Tréson. Let's tell him about this drip you got going on today, sir. You got your little penguin puffy coat. Diddy dance, take that, take that. Take it off. You almost got it. Here you go. Let me help you out. Let me get this out for you. There you go. Yeah, okay. Drippery. Yes, sir. What it say on there? Fun, cute, happy. Big drip. Ooh, we got some Ugg boots. Ooh, that boy's sharp. You wanna put your jacket back on? You like a little baby model. You got hat hair. You got hat hair. Watch the sauce drip. Don't slip. I wish I had some Uggs. Look what he brought over here.
That's that pretty shit.
Yeah. No job like Tommy, but I still flip a nickel. Flip like Tommy Pickles.
Oh yeah, see I came up.
Hi. How are you? Are you pooping? Are you pooping? No, don't touch it. You had to let it go. Ugh. Poop. It's a rap, Dad. We're chilling in Tréson's playroom. It used to be my room, but he deboed.
Baby?
Yeah, the baby took over. You made me a mix CD? What songs you got on there? Woo! 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 Shout out to everybody that showed love on this little post, man. I said if I start a Rap Dad vlog starring Tréson, which y'all tune in, we got 91% yes and 9% no. Let's see who said no. They some bums. Watch out. Who said no? That's crazy. Your uncle said no, he wouldn't watch it. Well, we gonna see Trey in a minute. We gonna hi. Yeah, we gonna say hi when we see him.
Hi.
I don't know these other people, but they ain't gotta watch it. They might as well unfollow because there's gonna be a lot of Tréson in the future. Tell them they gotta deal with it. You wanna see some pictures of you? That's him signing for a banana. He loves bananas. Yes, you. That's us. You see you signing for a banana?
Meh.
There you go again. He just be out of control. Busybody wiggle worm. Now he playing the flute again. Ooh, ooh, yeah, 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 yeah. He go crazy to his daddy songs. That's love. Rap Dad and Tréson. Them the songs you put on the CD. That's a cool little mix CD, son. You got quite a bright future as a DJ, a disc jockey, if that's what you want it to be. Shake it off. Still dealing with this cough. I had asked a couple friends of mine, Fresh Cut Johnny, and I asked them if they remembered her first cold and how long it lasted. How long it lasted. Forever? Is that what it, forever? Is that what it feel like, son? They said that first cold lasted about a full week. And it's been about 7 days. He's still coughing his fling up, so we gonna see how long it lasts, man. We did everything. We sat him in the shower, let him sweat it out. Plenty of Vicks Vapor Rub on his chest and feet, under his nose, let it drain out. But you know, it's just that first cold, so gotta let his little body develop the immunities, white blood cells and whatnot. But I think he got me sick. I know he got his mama sick, but I think I'm coming down with something now, so. Sick Rap Dad and baby Tréson. The way he brought over here.
That's that pretty shit.
Yeah. No job like Tommy, but I still flip a nickel. Flip like Tommy Pickles.
Oh yeah, see I came up on this deal.
Hey, what you doing? No job like Tommy. Still a flip a nickel, flipping tumble Tommy Pickles. Pick it up, won't fumble with it. Yeah, it's all up in my blood, it's in my cell, don't call it sickle. All up in my DNA for feelings, I'm in